video?
Started. So just woke up with Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali is resting on his big fat belly. Yeah.
It's like you're both be like, and we do a business. We came here, I fall asleep here. You know, and then
He slept here today last night. Yeah.
yeah.
In the
And
lovely Italian leather couch. Yep.
How about what? Italian couch.
Mm-hmm.
How much it is
I don't know. My mother-in-law bought it for us.
for you?
For us here. And you can see the cow leather hide at the back.
Yeah.
And that's Jibba Jabba.
Jibba Jabba.
Yeah.
TV Jabba.
Jibba Jabba. Yeah. they glow in the dark, by the way. That's my bass amp, which I'm playing through right now.
Yeah.
We're just trying out.
Okay. And I want to say something for to Facebook. Pop that is Shumalo.
Shumalo.
Yeah, Shumalo. Yeah. You will answer or not?
Petit Pilali Twitter is
Yeah.
watching.
Yeah.
She waved.
She waved.
So
It's my sister.
Video chat.